Here's the system that we use for communicating with the surface when we're in the tunnel. It's absolutely essential for safety on safety grounds. Brian's demonstrating it here. It's loaned to us by Mines Rescue or MRSL when they don't need it for other jobs. The yellow cable you can see runs the length of the tunnel. It's been there for now 9 years and we're getting a bit worried about how reliable it is.
Surface control, comms check, over. We are now at the coal seam where we take in gas monitor readings which are 20.9 and all the others are 0, which is good. Over. Roger and out.
We can't use radio in the tunnel, it just doesn't work, but we're going to use ex-Army field telephones. Here they are in my garage being tested. And this is a 500-meter reel of cable that we're planning to use. You can basically be able to tap into with the telephone every 500 meters where the cables join. The tripod is where we go into the tunnel and you can see the cable running across the field to the base station. And here's Brian about to go into the tunnel to install the cable. Now. I messed up the recording of Brian testing the system, but here he is anyway. Just trust me, it works. The chair marks the place where we can tap into the cable and make a phone call, and in the blue bag in a dehumidifier is the telephone waiting for our next visit. This is Kelvin, our very patient top person, sitting by the phone.
Hi. Received loud and clear, Steve. Over and out.
Much as we're hugely grateful to MRSL or Mines Rescue, we're no longer going to be dependent on them for borrowing their equipment free of charge when they've got paying customers who want it.